Hi everyone, let's learn about computer components. Motherboard, mouse, mouse, printer, printer, processor, processor, RAM, RAM, router, router, scanner, scanner, SMPS, SMPS, speaker, speaker, USB drive, web camera, web camera, cable, CD drive, floppy disk, hard disk, headphone, keyboard, monitor, motherboard. Let's learn stationery names. Tape, school bags, pencil case, pencil case, pen, pen, scissors, scissors, eraser, eraser, glue, glue, notebook, notebook, book, book, ruler, ruler, pencil, pencil, stapler, stapler, whitener, whitener, glitter, document holder, paper clips, tape, tape, school bags, school bags, pencil case, pen, pen, scissors, scissors, eraser, eraser. Let's plant smiles, harvest love in every season. Repeat after me, spring. What's your favorite season? Summer. Good job. What's your favorite season? Monsoon. Monsoon. Autumn. Autumn. Winter. Spring. 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 Summer. Good job. What's your favorite season? Monsoon. Monsoon. Autumn. Autumn. Winter.